Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this awesome outline just of yourself. And this is in response to a question I had over in my community. So if you do have any questions on how to use this or anything else in Canva, make sure you drop them down in the comments below, because that's how I sometimes create videos, is in answer to the questions that you have, so I can explain things a little bit different or take a couple of different techniques and show you how they can work together. And that's exactly what we're doing today. Here we are. This is in Canva, and what we're going to do, this is just a cheesy picture of me uploading, pointing. And now you can, like normally what you'd do is you'd remove the background. So if you don't know how to do that, you highlight the image, edit image, and remove the background. If it's not up there, sometimes it's down here amongst these other options. I'll put a link down below to using the background remover tool. Then you get this. This is just a cutout image. We're then going to take that image, and then with that image highlighted, we're going to edit that, and we're going to use the duotone option. And you can choose any of these. I'm going to choose the cherry option. Once you click on it, you'll see that there was a couple of different little lines there. You just single click on those again. You then change the colour to just be one colour, both be the same colour, because that's what makes this work easier. Then once you've done that, you'll copy that down to your next image. Now in this image, what you're going to do is you highlight the image again, edit the image, come to shadows, click on glow. With the glow item highlighted, you'll see these lines coming up. Click on those again. I've clearly got a message from Amazon there. Click on those again, change the size to however you thick you want the size to be, change the transparency to 100, blur down to 0 if you want this to be a hard outline. If you want it to be a little bit blurry around the edges, you can do that, increase the blur capacity or the blur outline here. Then whatever colour you want your item to be, you can click on this, and I'm just going to make mine white. Okay, so there we go, we've got this. We've now changed this to there. We've got a white outline, and you think, well, I want to get rid of the dark bit in the middle around the outline. Fantastic. That's exactly what I'm going to show you now. So once we've got that, we're then going to export that to our computer. I'm using a Mac. If you're using a PC version, you can do this using Photopea. I'll put a link down below to another tutorial where I've used Photopea to do a similar technique to this, where we created a custom frame. But this is about creating a custom, just a purely simple outline in Canva. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our image. I'm going to drag this across here. We're going to take our image. This is our image, and we're going to open with preview. Okay, so I'm going to drag that off to the side. Now with preview open, and as I say, this is on the Mac, up in the corner here, you'll see this little kind of like pencil markup option. Once you've got that, click on this little magic wand option here called Instant Alpha, and then click in the middle. And as you click in the middle, you'll see it dragging across. And if you click and drag, it'll change what that middle bit looks like. It'll either be really detailed or not. You can change that. You can see if I did it all the way out here, it would delete all of it. If I do it to here, I then get the marching ants around the edge. I then simply click the delete key. Now it doesn't look like it's done anything, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to close that, and that's going to have saved it. And then on a new page, all we're going to do, I'm going to show you this on a new page. This is the outline. I'm just dragging in the same image to my uploads area, and this is now created just an outline. So you can see that, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This is me. I'm talking at Traverse 22 in a couple of weeks time, which is my first talking gig. But you can see now this is just an outline of the image. Now what if you've created a white one and you want to change the color of that? Really simple. I'm going to show you again how to do that. Click on the image, come up to edit image, use duotone. You can then change this to any color you want. So I'm going to click on this one and change it to green. This doesn't have to be any color. It can be any color you want, but you click on the item there and you can change this to any color you want. And it's going to be this top one. It's the highlights that's changing on this particular occasion. But I could change that to pink, I could change it to blue, and that's how you can then change the colour of the outline that you've created. Hope this is helpful. Thank you so much again for the question. Carol, hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Let me know if I'm not, and hopefully this helps you. Thank you so much again for the question. Until next time, bye for now.